Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO. Yeah, it is reversing. It actually has reversed out of our support area for this wave 2. It also has 3 waves to the upside, basically, sorry, 5 waves to the upside, basically complete. I can really only count it as a diagonal pattern. That could be finished. We certainly have 5 waves. Now, as you might remember or might know, with a diagonal, the problem is they are less reliable, but still it is a 5-wave pattern. And those first 5 waves that occurred now off those weekend lows could be, in a bullish interpretation, could be counted as a wave 1. Then we will most likely very shortly come down in a 2, rally in a 3, and so on. And that's how it can cascade higher. So the wave 2 support area could also be another trade setup. Now I can't really give a target yet because I do not yet have strong confirmation that the market has topped, but I think we're getting there. What I'd like to do, just change the wave degree here a little bit of that. And we've got 5 waves up, yeah. Again, it could be that this wave 2 is going to start imminently because we had a really good day. There will be some profit taking kicking in at some point. I know, however, how these altcoins can sometimes just continue to rally if Bitcoin, Ethereum did the same. But for now, it seems like we have a local top in place. Now, if that is going to be something more substantial, that's what the market will show. At the moment, all we're doing, we broke out of our support area and we are retesting this from above. If we come down, yeah, then this will be proof. This will tell us how the story is going to develop further, because with that 5-wave move to the upside, I can define a support area for a wave 2, but and that's the area where in the corrective pullback, which is the wave 2, the market would need to find support. If it doesn't, I think this entire setup is going to fail, because also CRO came down basically too much in the larger setup support area. In order to, if it now makes one more low, it will just get difficult. Yeah. So ideally, also because the move up is quite strong, even though it looks like a diagonal only, but looking at how much it did, what kind of distance it traveled in a short period of time. Here also we talk about 24%. Yeah. That would indicate that it has bottomed. The price action at least strongly suggests that. So in a wave 2 support or in a wave 2 retracement, based and measured by looking at the most recent high, the intraday high, key support is between 6.8 cents and 6.33 cents. A drop below 6.33 would not be healthy for the chart, because then this 1-2 setup is most likely going to fail. Yeah? It's usually this 78.6 retracement, which ideally doesn't break. And then we could rally in a 3rd wave. Overall, zooming out a little bit, just a reminder, we had here our larger 1-2 setup in green, yeah. And if I zoom out a little bit more, then you can actually see the overall chart and how this is embedded, because all of this larger move that occurred in 2021 can also be counted as a wave 1, and the current move down as wave 2. I haven't put the labels here on this short-term chart though. But yeah, looking at this larger pattern that actually started back in, was it January? Yeah, end of December. If I measure the targets for the larger third, because again, I also count this move of the December lows as a wave 1, with a wave 2 possibly being complete here or having been completed on the weekend around the 10th of March. Then we get the following target for a 3rd wave. So let me so we look at the 1.618 extension just below 11 cents. Yeah. So that's going to be interesting. Looks like also, like many other coins, CRO seems to have reversed, and I will keep you updated. Also, if we get pullback targets, then this will be very helpful to either re-enter into the market after taking some profits, or just adding to the trade. Okay, that's my update about CRO. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.